How to uninstall apps on iPhone running iOS 26. Now there are different ways on how you can uninstall apps. One of the ways is on your home screen. You want to look for an app, then touch and hold. From the pop-up, tap on Remove App, then tap on Delete App, and then tap on Delete to completely uninstall the app. Now the other way is to swipe across and go into your app library. In here, you can manually search for an app through the list here, or you can use the search button. So in the app library, you can look for an app by typing in the app name and then touch and hold on that. Then tap on Delete App and then tap on Delete. And this will allow you to uninstall the app from your device. And that's it. It is now completely removed. The app and its data has been successfully removed from the iPhone running iOS 26. Thank you for watching this video.